too tired to swim, and my lungs just can't take it, but I keep breathing you in. So tell me lies, tell me painted truths, anything at all to keep me close to you. Pull me under the way you do. Tonight I wanna drown in an ocean of you. Anything at all to keep me close to you. Tonight I wanna drown in an ocean of you. Tonight I wanna drown in an ocean of you. Tonight I wanna drown in an ocean of you. I'm so used to your excuses, that when you bruise me, I stick around. No point trying to make it out now. Rather be sinking than go without. And now the water is rising and I'm too tired to swim, and my lungs just can't take it, but I keep breathing you in. So tell me lies, tell me painted truths, anything at all to keep me close to you. Pull me under the way you do. Tonight I wanna drown in an ocean of you.
What's up, what's up, what's up? A little bit late and I apologize for that, but what's up, guys? How we doing? Let me put the screen on. Who's here already? What's up, Enzo? What's up, what's up? Just serving myself a glass of water and then we're good to go. This guy, a Pride team, what's up? What's up, Panoir? What's up, Mr. H? What's up, VH? VS, sorry, VS. All good, what about you? All good, man, all good. Market's printing. So all good, definitely all good. All right, got my water? We good. Let's share the screen. Can you see it, guys? Everything's working well? I think we're good now. I think we're Gucci. Loud and clear, nice, okay, perfect. Perfect, the volume is okay, the volume of the microphone, yeah, it seems to be okay. So we're gonna start with a BTC. It's gonna be a quick analysis, guys. Wait, I'm just gonna sneeze. Sorry. So as I said, it's gonna be a quick analysis. We're gonna identify the levels. We're gonna do a quick roundup. Bless you, thank you, man. I appreciate about what's going on. So I think you pretty much all noticed that BTC is not moving that much. Not really moving that much. It's sitting around 120k while altcoins are moving. So as you can see here, this is BTC on the daily. All right, this is BTC on the daily. We have a level here that I'm interested to beat in case we get a pullback right here because we left some imbalance below. Okay, as you can see here, we have imbalance. And I'd like to see the price feel that imbalance before going up again and making a new high, maybe. So this is what I'm looking for. But for now, I think the focus should be shifted on altcoins. Simply because BTC dominance is dropping and it doesn't stop dropping. And that's a good thing for us, right? This is something that we wanted. That's a very good thing for our business. So you want to focus on strong alts. Okay, you want to you want your attention to be on strong alts. And if you also look at the total tree, here we go, approaching the key resistance level, and we're gonna update everything. Approaching the 1 trillion key level. Wait, I'm just looking because I have a question. All right. So as you can see here, we're approaching the key level of 1 trillion of market capitalization. And here we go, 1 trillion hits. So right here, you want to be very, very careful and you want to start taking profits because this is a major resistance level. Okay, guys, do you have any question? Are you riding altcoins? Are you on alt already? Are you already riding some good altcoins? Yes? Which ones? Which ones? Let me know. I'm curious to see what you guys are like pumping, riding, you know? What is that ghost? Hazi? Sui, Floki, Sylvie. Oh man, that's nice. Floki, Sylvie, the strength, man. The strength is on your side, it seems. Strength is on your side. That's good. Good catches. So, we're gonna finish with I am Minato. What's up, brother? Ah, thank you for coming. Thank you for joining on YouTube. Thank you, man. Appreciate the support here on YouTube. Really appreciate. How are you doing, Minato? How are you doing? What you writing? What you writing, brother? Doing great. That's so good to hear. That's so good to hear. You deserve it, brother. You deserve it. Gala LTC Sol. Okay, so let's finish with BTC and it's gonna be interesting to watch else. So as you can see, guys, for now, this is a minor support. I'm saying minor support because we don't have that much confluence before lower. You see, we have that area, but it's not the, for me, it's not the best level to bid. Even though I'm already long since 117, exactly, pixel 117. It's not my biggest size because, as I said, for me the shift should be on altcoins and especially ETH. But for BTC, I'm really interested to beat that demand zone. All right, that whole area for me is the area of interest. So it's something between 110 and 111. We might get front run because it's an overcrowded trade. Everyone is looking at that level, so we might get front run. We'll see. We might stop before. But still, this is an area that I am interested to bid. Now on even more LTF, I had that level. I didn't take that trade for full transparency. Unfortunately, it would have been a good short, to be honest, but I didn't take it because, simply because, to be honest, I was a bit scared to go against the trend. That's it. But that was the plan that I shared in Chroma, in the Chroma server. Nonetheless, I didn't take it because I was scared. So good reading, but bad execution. Like literally no execution, unfortunately. But would have been a good shot. And as you can see, the level here was the reason why I longed. Okay, and I took profits here. I still have a few of the position running because I think we go higher. Now we had another level here. Could we access Chroma Discord if we are sub to yours? What's up, Alexandre? Just so you know, the merge will be technically done on Monday. So if you are sub to my Discord, you will have access to the Chroma Discord. Absolutely. So I don't know if you're already in because I don't recognize that that nickname. But if you join CRG, you will be moved to Chroma without doing anything. So don't worry. Don't worry. Seamless experience for you. Okay? So as you can see here, I have another level on BTC. Before the 110, 111, I have 113 just here. That could also work if we decide to front run that level. So we'll see. We'll see. It's going to be interesting for sure. I'm just going to remove this because I don't like to have to zoom out that much. I want to focus on short-term price action. Here we go. It'll be interesting also. Okay, yeah, already sub, just wanted to know. Thanks. No problem, man, no problem. Just wait Monday and you'll be good to go. Okay, a nice bounce on the 0.5. Okay, that's great. So today, for today's session, if we get the 117, I might go long again. I might add to the position because we have the OTE and the nice demand right here. Just here, brother. All right. Let's go. Okay, so that's good for BTC, I think. You got it. We have support, we have res. If we flip that res, we can target a new high. We can expect a new high, but we need to clear that level first. Okay? So now regarding the current king, Ethereum. Ethereum, very interesting. So we have that level on ETH. So this was the range that we had. I'm just gonna keep it on purpose because just in case things go bad at some point and we get back to the range. But for ETH, we have that level here that can be a good entry level. But for now, it's like, sorry for my language, but no fucks given, and just going higher and higher and higher and higher without giving any pullback. So you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. And don't FOMO though. Don't FOMO. Wait, I just have checking something in the Discord. Oh, interesting. Will drop my view. Okay, it's very difficult, but this is the only way to properly trade such an uptrend with a strong momentum. The only way is to like mark the important levels, okay, and then once we have a pullback, then and we tag them, then you enter, because like this is very difficult to enter. Also, if we look at if you look at ETH like this on the daily, all right, then you have a few areas. That one has been broken, that one has been broken. So as you can see, it doesn't offer retest, but at some point it will have to. It will have to. When? I don't know. Like nobody knows. But when it will do, you want to be ready. Okay, this is why you want to mark the levels, have a ton of alerts. You see I have a lot of alerts. So when the pullback happens, I am ready. And I know what I have to do. Okay? Altcoin is still pumping, I see. Which is great. That's really nice. Hey, what's up, Gigapot? What's up, man? How are you doing? Good to see you here. So we're gonna move a bit to altcoins. Yeah, we're gonna check alts. So my favorite Sol, it's approaching my level. What's up, Trader CL? Good to see you, man. I'm so happy. So happy to see you, boys. So my level is approaching. Let's go. 178. 178. Finally. Finally, I will be able to take profits. For a reminder, I've been in Sol for like a weeks now. When did I enter? It was 142. It was here, July 1st. So it's been almost 3 weeks. Almost 3 weeks in that trade, right? And my TP is here. My first TP is here. 180, around 180. So yeah, I'm quite happy because patience finally is being rewarded. Finally. All right. So I want to see what happens. As you can see, we have nice confluence. If we look at Sol, for example, approaching the resistance and the total tree. All right. And as you can see, it's also approaching major resistance. What a coincidence, right? So you have to be careful. We might have a short setup if we sweep the value area high, okay, and then close below the value area high, then it might be a short setup, okay. And if it continues, then we will look at 185 and above, okay. Okay. We have the same with Sui. It's been crazy strong nonetheless. Nonetheless, as you can see, another coincidence. Total tree at major res and Sui at major res, just like Solana. You see that, guys? Interesting, right? Interesting, right? Let me also post it. Altcoin inventory, fantastic altcoin play day. Initial trade. Very interesting to see some ads tagging major levels, same time as total tree Lagging 1 trillion. Break or go back from here. Sol monthly above 120 for me looks like a buy every pullback we get. Yeah, for me I just bought one and I don't want to take more risk to be honest, but we'll see. We'll see. So hype, we are on that trade with Chroma as well. Basically it's a setup that I shared a few days ago. It was exactly on, let me check, the message is here. Go to message. It was 3 days ago. So that we would have a TP here. Okay, a TP here around 49. Then a pullback. And then if we get a successful retest here, this is a long for me. So this is why I took it, just following the plan. Basically, I want to go break even around here. Why? Because we have a nice bearish order block just here. So I want to go break even once we tag that level. I want to have a TP1 just here. And I want to have my exit just here. All right. Is that clear? Clear for the boys? Let me check something on Fortcoin. What the hell? 152. Fortcoin 152. Brothers. Okay. Okay. I'll take it. I'll take it. So Fortcoin, we're talking about it because it's a trade that I called yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Boom. Headshot. Boom, baby. Do we like it? Do we like it? Do you still call your trades in CRG? I'm still in a lot of longs that been called in CRG, Polo. Like Hype, for example, that was called in CRG. The initial move from 37, so from here, the trade was here towards 49. Okay, so that trade was called in CRG, and also we have many still ongoing trades with CRG like AAV that we entered together here at 260. Okay, just here. So for now we are writing this. Also Tau, that's been called in CRG as well, from 320. So same thing. We are writing this 40% move. We had Syrup that got stopped out. We had XRP. Amazing, right? And just Fortcoin, it's one that I didn't call because it was overnight. Got to take a plane and was doing things pretty fast. Also, Ethereum was called in CRG. So yeah, I still do. Until Monday, until the merge is effective, I still do, brother. Don't worry. And I told the team as well to still do. So don't worry. Don't worry. For the next few days, it's not gonna be dead. It's not gonna be dead. So what we're looking at Hype, we're looking at Sol. Doge is interesting. Okay, and we have a res here. We have a res just here. That's interesting, right? I think it looks fantastic. Yeah, it looks really good. We're gonna remove this because for now it's a bit pointless, but yeah, it looks really good. Cult request. Put that shitcoin on your watch list. What shitcoin? Doge? Man, I am in the trade from the very bottom. I am in the trade since 14 something, bro. I am currently riding this 45%. Oh, MKR. Okay, okay. Let me read. I didn't read that. Let me share a very interesting chart. MKR BTC. Tell me this looks like the Ethereum chart at 1800. Okay, 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 okay. Wait, I'm gonna check. Just looking at those. So we could have something like this. Supply here. Yeah, we have that supply just here. We're gonna mark supply zone. Okay, and if we get a pullback, so it could be interesting to have another entry. Let's see, more like something like this, right? And then continuation. Okay. And we have a lot of imbalance below, so we're gonna pay attention to that in case we get a pullback. MKR. Yeah, deviation and continuation, absolutely. MKR, BTC. But why against BTC? Why not against USD, brother? Because yeah, I see what you see, man. I see what you see. But you have someone in the Discord that has been killing MKR. Yeah. It's going sideline. It's not the greatest performance, right? Okay. Yeah. I see why. We need to tag that level. Okay, it got tagged. Semi-tag, I would say. Let's see. It's going sideways, right? We have a nice range. Yeah. Yeah, daily 200. H4 breakouts. MKR? High time frame, check out weekly, low performance, but setting up for a massive move. Yeah, I see. But on H4, for example, you see it's in a range compared to many altcoins that broke out. That's lagging, right? That's lagging. And as I said at the beginning of the stream, guys, focus on the strength. Try to focus on the strength. I know some coins might look interesting, but if they're not moving, it's for a reason. The weekly chart, yeah. Yeah, still we have a res here, so the risk reward if you enter here is not that interesting. You said MKRBC. I'm not really convinced. And I might be wrong, you know, as usual, but I'm not really convinced. Yeah. It reclaimed the level, but I'm not really convinced, to be honest. Yeah, it must hold here against BTC, and if BTC keeps losing its dominance, then yeah, but I'm not. Yeah, but we have to see, bro. We have to see. What else we can look at? What else we can look at? LTC maybe. LTC has been also chilling, right? Ah, a link approaching the level. Okay, we're gonna check link just after. Fort, we already took a trade on Fortcoin, man. Already nailed that shit. And now it's at res. Now it's at resistance with equal highs. Uniswap have had some massive pumps. I didn't know. I will check. Equal highs, you see. We'll fully close though. Give me a sec, just a sec. Right. LTC maybe, yeah. I think LTC is more interesting because it's at 100. Okay. So as you can see, that was the level, the value area high that we had here. So that's good if we are breaking out. And if we're breaking out, guys, I have my idea of where the price could go. And I am targeting this 125. If you look at H12, you have a massive supply here. And I think this is where the price is going. It's thin air, like we have absolutely nothing between 100 and 120, 130. You see, we have nothing. And I'm pretty sure if we look at the volume profile here, yeah, nothing. Yeah, we have to get rid of that area, and then it's empty. It's empty until 125. So if you guys are on LTC, my entry is 83 on LTC. I entered here. Also cold on CRG, by the way. So keep going. Take some profits here if you want. I would recommend to take some profits, and then you can aim for 125. What's up, Shark? You're doing well? You're doing well? Generational wealth. I don't know if it's generational wealth, but for sure we sniped the bottom on many coins when everyone was scared. And that's good because now we are reaping the rewards. It took a while, you see, like the trade got entered on July 1st, so it's almost 3 weeks and stuff. So, je vais bien et toi? Oh, t'es français? Huh. Super, merci. Merci, merci, merci. Uniswap? Ah, it's Uni. Un peu? Ah, un peu, un peu. A little. Ah, okay, okay. Where are you from, Shark? Where are you from? Ah, not bad, and we're approaching res. We talked about it weeks ago, a couple of weeks ago. Approaching resistance. Irlandais. Ah, you too. Okay. You too. My Irish boys. Irish boys take over. Yeah, it's approaching res, that Uniswap shit. Yep. Approaching res. Nice. That was a nice retest though. Nice retest of the previous high. Just like hype, you know, just like hype. What I leave is called week low, like the low of the week. Mad coincidence. Okay, then I have to check now. Week low. Ireland. Whoa, okay, I like it. I like it. On what side of the country it is? Okay, it's here. All right, I see. I know a bit more about this area. This is the area that I know. Yeah. The other side. Do you have anything else that could be interesting? Yeah, we said CRV crazy. Oh my god, CRV, look. Look, I wanted to enter at 48 cents. And look where the price started to push. Bro, I wanted to enter in the blue box. And I got greedy with the entry. And here we go. Police hate CRV? Yeah, but you shouldn't. You shouldn't, man. You shouldn't. It's absolutely crazy, bro. Like, look where I wanted to enter. I just got front run by 6%. Oh my god, bro. That's bad. It's okay, it's fine. It's fine. We want to see if we can get a pullback. Like, we're gonna set alerts. Okay, we just follow the trend. Link now, as I said, approaching res. Approaching resistance. What are BTC spreads like on CFT? You have a no spread. Like no spread. Literally no spread. And also you can trade on Bybit. If you I think in Ireland you can trade on Bybit, right? So if you can trade on Bybit, you can trade directly on the Bybit platform. So you have the Bybit conditions, the Bybit trading conditions. All right, so Link is approaching that res. I will update. The key level mentioned above. Oh, you have MT5 also. You have MT5, but the spread is very low. It's one of the best spreads. To be honest, it's one of the best. It's really one of the best. And I'm being transparent and honest. I'm trying not to be biased, obviously. First thing, as well as other ads facing major level. So deciding between CFT and MCF, what account size you wanted to take? Because maybe you should split, right? So you diversify. We talked about CRV on stream, brother. I am in. Yeah, we talked about it. We talked about it. I wanted a little bit lower, unfortunately, and that's why. Like, I wanted it just a little bit lower, but it's okay. I got greedy, so it's my fault. You know, it's my fault. I got greedy, so nothing I can do now. What else is strong? XRP obviously is super strong. I was expecting a rejection. Where I took profits 3.1. I leave a bit right towards 340, and this is my theory on Ripple. This is why I'm so bullish on Ripple. Okay, I've been explaining this to people again and again and again since the lows, and you see this is what we are riding currently. Amazing, right? You greedy bastard, we still love you, no worries. Hey, it happens sometimes, you know, it happens. Damn, Faltcoin. I cut the trade, bro. I've cut the trade. Come on, chill. Chill a bit. I'm not in the trade anymore, so please chill. What else can we check? Because my watch list is done. My watch list is done here. So what else can we look at? Aave. Now. Ah, Say. Say. I love it, bro. I love it. Say looks so good. Say looks so good, man. I like the way it looks. Big ass res, and flip here. I'm thinking about one step from CFT because MCF don't offer one step. Be careful because with the one step, you have something that I don't like. It's the trading drawdown. I just don't like the trading drawdown. But if you're fine with it, then go with it, man. Go with it. Yeah, Say I love it. Looks good. Let me post on CRG, by the way. I want to post that on the Discord trade calls. Call Say USDT trade type swing asset class crypto. All right, risk medium. All right, posted. Also looking so strong on the way up. They're not retraced as much as we expect. Yeah, this is why I like that kind of setup. But on Say, for example, I like that kind of setup because once you flip a major resistance, then you have high probabilities to have continuation, just like what we're doing on Hype right now. You see, I like that kind of setup. I really do like. You have a major resistance, you have a breakout. Okay, you make a new high, you retest the level, and considering the momentum, the market momentum is strong, then we shouldn't go lower than that level. We shouldn't go lower. Now I really want to see 47, 48 so I can go break even on that trade and just enjoy the rest of the day, you know. But yeah, this is how you want to play it. This is absolutely how you want to play it. Ondo, so I had this plan on Ondo, and as you can see, it's always very, very good to stay patient and wait for the reactions, especially when you want to go against the trend. Now, yeah, it's lagging, but still the performance is great. And it's going to be the same as Say for me. I'm going to wait for that res to be flipped and then this to turn into a support, and I might enter again. Yeah, this is how I'm gonna play it. Keep it simple, boys. Keep it simple. Remember what I posted a few days ago? Like, there is no point trying to be a hero when market conditions are easy. Look, Osbrah, easy condition, I thought I post something like that. Why try to be the main character when we are lucky enough to get easy market conditions? Or a little ride, just ride with the tides. Kind reminder. Ride with the tides. Okay, we have a few notices. What's man, you didn't tag me, didn't see this message. You're a king, great calls. Bonk and Flocky on your list. Yeah, I saw that one. That's crazy good. Crazy sniping from DPM. Wait, just shouting out the boys. Next one, Bonk all-time high. I love Bonk. Sorry. Just liking all the messages. Police the goat. Police is goated, that's true. That's true. So what's Bitsy doing? What's Bitsy doing? Bitsy is struggling, right? Bitsy is struggling. Your best advice for my previous bull runs? Play 0 IQ play always. Don't overanalyze and make it complicated. Play strength. Exactly. This is what I always say. Keep it simple, boys. There is no reason to make things complicated. Absolutely no reason. You can make like hell a lot of money. Like hell a lot of money. There is absolutely no reason to complicate things. No reason. And also don't try to be the cool guy that shorted when everyone was long, you know? Like, just ride with the train. I saw some people, and this is the sad thing. This is the sad thing. I will just, and probably will end the stream on that note, but we had a massive push from here. Now from 105 to 125, we have a 17% push on BTC, which is quite huge. All right. And in the meantime, Alcons had a great run. And I saw some people on Twitter being like, oh, look, Bulls, I told you, look, I shorted, I'm so good, look. You see, like, bro, you miss out so much because you want to be the main character so bad, but you end up shorting a price discovery, which is retarded in my opinion. And you just celebrate a 3% move when you missed out like something that easy. You know, you just had to, like, man, you just had like consolidation, push, consolidation, push, consolidation, push. So yeah, don't try to be that guy. You know, you don't want to be that guy. I mean, like people who shorted here, I don't really understand because you had no reason. Shorting here, I do understand. You know, because we had some price action. We had some price action. But shorting a weekend move that leads to price discovery, I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh, near as well. It's been a while I didn't check that one. Can you hear me, boys?